The iPhone 16 is packed with features that can really enhance your daily experience. Let's dive into some tips and tricks that will help you make the most of your device. First up, let's talk about the new customizable lock screen. You can now add widgets directly to your lock screen, which means you can see important information at a glance without unlocking your phone. To customize it, just press and hold on the lock screen, tap Customize, and add widgets like weather, calendar events, or even your favorite photos. This not only personalizes your device, but also makes it more functional. Next, if you're a fan of multitasking, the iPhone 16 has a fantastic feature called Split View. This allows you to use two apps side by side. Simply swipe up from the bottom to access the app switcher, then drag one app to the side of the screen. This is perfect for comparing notes while browsing the web or chatting while watching a video. Now let's talk about the camera. The iPhone 16 has some incredible photography capabilities. One of my favorite features is the new photonic engine, which enhances low-light photography. To take advantage of this, try using night mode in darker environments. Just tap the moon icon when you're in the camera app and let the phone do the work. You'll be amazed at how much detail it captures. Speaking of photography, don't forget about the new cinematic mode. This allows you to shoot videos with a shallow depth of field, giving your videos that professional look. You can even adjust the focus after you've recorded the video. Just tap on the subject you want to focus on, and the iPhone will automatically blur the background. It's a game changer for anyone who loves creating content. If you're someone who often finds themselves running out of battery, the iPhone 16 has a feature called Low Power Mode. You can enable it by going to Settings, then Battery. This mode reduces background activity and optimizes performance to extend your battery life. It's a lifesaver when you're out and about and can't charge your phone. Another handy tip is to use the focus modes. You can customize these modes to limit distractions during specific times, like work or sleep. Go to Settings, then Focus, and create a mode that allows only certain notifications through. This way, you can stay productive without being interrupted by every ping and buzz. For those who love to listen to music or podcasts, the iPhone 16 supports spatial audio. This feature creates an immersive sound experience. To enable it, go to Settings, then Music, and turn on spatial audio. You'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action, whether you're watching a movie or listening to your favorite tunes. Lastly, let's not forget about privacy. The iPhone 16 has enhanced privacy features that allow you to control what apps can access your data. Go to Settings, then Privacy, and review the permissions for each app. You can easily revoke access to your location, photos, and more, ensuring that your personal information stays secure. These tips and tricks can really elevate your iPhone 16 experience. Whether you're customizing your lock screen, capturing stunning photos, or managing your notifications, there's so much to explore. So, dive in and start making the most of your device.